Hello, you are watching Behind the Scene for Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, episode 150. I made cauliflower wings before on this show. I don't remember the episode. I'm gonna put it behind on the comments on this one here. But yeah, this is spontaneous. I didn't expect to do a show, but I got this idea from Chef Mal. Right? He did the batter. When I did it, I actually did sour cream as a batter. I didn't think about using any other batter. But yeah, I saw Chef Mal on Instagram, and he did it with oat milk. So I got inspired to try it again today. This is the oatmeal. But after that, I decided to branch off because I do my cashew. I do cashew paste. So I was like, you know what? Let me try cashew as a batter, right? So I did these variations. I'm still going to do the oat milk, and I'm going to also do variations of that. But this is how I started. And then I branched off to do the... I use roasted cashews right here, and I blend it in the blender. It takes this process. It's probably easier to run a processor, but I do a blender because I don't have a processor. All right, here's the first one. This one here is stack over here. The first one is curry. This one is a curry mix that I did with the cashew. And this one here is the Nashville hot seasoning with the cashew. This one here is the sazón, and this is the regular one. And this one is the one with the coriander and the annatto right here. And then I did a hot sauce mix right here. And then I decided, okay, let me see what hot sauce and just flour mix. And this is the cashew and the hot sauce mix. This is just hot sauce and flour mix. So after that, this is going to be the batter. And then I'm going to go ahead and dip it in the flour right here. And yeah, I just sliced them up already, just a few. I still got all of this right here to slice up. So yeah, oh yeah, then of course I roasted some. That's how I did it last time. I roasted that. And yeah, stay tuned for that episode on YouTube channel Plush2x, or my Facebook channel Plush2x Songs, or Plush2x Vegan Kitchen. Also, I got a page on that. All right, see you later. Bye.